Hello, I'm Ken Arscott, your narrator. Today's security officers have much more responsibility than years ago. This is especially true for mobile patrol officers. There are several types of mobile patrols: cars, golf carts, bicycles, segways. There are several procedures and techniques that are common to all patrol car assignments. Before you even drive out to patrol, there's an inspection and documentation process that you need to follow. Once you drive off, you're accepting responsibility of the vehicle. I'm sure you don't want to assume responsibility for something that happened or didn't happen prior to your checking out the patrol car. Look under the car for oil leaks. If you discover any, document it and notify your supervisor. Check the trunk to see if it has a spare tire and to see if it's roadworthy. There's usually more equipment stored in the trunk, some of which I'll go over shortly. Check the fluid levels. If it needs washer fluid or if it's low on oil, take care of it according to your company's policy. Now this is the one that you can definitely have an effect on. Patrol cars typically have lettering and signs on both sides, identifying them as a security vehicle, and some have light bars on the roof, which will help reduce the opportunity. Criminals see patrol cars as a barrier between them committing a crime. This doesn't mean that a bold criminal will not commit a crime, but it does reduce the overall opportunity. Let's take your scene sense first. You need to pay attention to detail and be more observant than normal. Just observing is not sufficient. You need to know what to look for. For example, signs of tampering, safety hazards, suspicious persons, lights on that should be off, or the lights are off that should be on. I'm going to give you the short version of some patrol tasks so that you will have a better understanding when I get into the more detailed explanations. An escort patrol is when you escort individuals, cars, trucks, money, or other property from one location to another. A scheduled patrol is when an officer must patrol a post at specific times. Alarm response is when you respond to a burglar alarm. A service call is when something happens and you're sent to the location. It could be as minor as lost property or up to a felony.